Hello crafters, and welcome to the Crafty Mogul. Today we will be making a snowflake tree from the mini trees that you can purchase at Dollar Tree. The first step is to move the white plastic part from the tree. The second step is going to be to hot glue two of the stems together. Once you get those stems hot glued together, you're going to wrap them in floral wire. And use a little bit more hot glue to make sure that it's steady and you seal it in. You're going to do this 3 times using 2 stems each time. Now, you're going to position the stems in order to make the snowflake. You're just going to stack them on top of each other in the shape of a snowflake. So you're going to put 2 across each other, and then the third one is going to go in the middle of the first 2. Once you have all 3 hot glued together, you're going to take the floral wire again and wrap all 3 of the pieces together. I did hot glue the tip of the first string to go around, the first floral wire to go around the wreath, just to give it some extra security. Use a little hot glue to reinforce it, to make sure that everything is glued and tight together, because you don't want it to be loose. Once you get done with that step, you'll fluff it together and attach the bow or whatever you really want to use to cover up the wire. You can use a bow, you can use a chalkboard, whatever you would like to use for that part. I chose to use this buffalo check black and white bow because that's the theme of our Christmas this year. It's going to be black and white buffalo check. What you would do is you'll use, this bow actually came with a twist tie. So what I did was I just twisted it, and I also used the twist tie for hanging. Now you'll go ahead and fluff those branches out of the tree. Dollar Tree also has green mini trees. They're a little bit more harder to find, but you can find them at some Dollar Trees if you prefer to use the green ones. I like this one because, like I said, our theme this year is black and white. Once you get everything fluffed out, you're ready to go, and you're ready for hanging. Thank you for joining us on the Crafty Mogul today. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media here at the Crafty Mogul. Thank you for watching our video.